In this demo, I'm going to show you how to deploy a hybrid environment into Microsoft Azure. So we're going to log in into Azure and click on Marketplace. In Marketplace, we're going to search for Spectrum Protect Plus and click on the product. This will bring us to the landing page with some information about the product. You can see the plans and the usage information where you can find the deployment guide and blueprints. Click on Create. When you click on Create, we will find the parameters for the deployment. You have to create a new resource group, provide your region and the instances you would like to deploy. Since I already have a Spectrum Protect Plus server installed, I'm going to deploy a hybrid environment with vSnap only. Provide the SSH credentials, either a username with password or an SSH key. Since I already have a VPN configured, I'm going to use an existing vNet. Since I already have a Spectrum Protect Plus server installed, I'm going to provide an existing credentials. So it's the IP, username, and password. Here are the parameters for the vSnap itself. So provide the repository size, the duplication, the machine type, and the disk type. Username and password for vSnap, and a blob for bucket for backup. Click on Review and Create. This will run some basic validation on your parameters, and when the validation is passed, you can click on Create. Eventually, this will run for a while, and you will see that your deployment is complete successfully, and you can see the sub-steps of the deployment. You can click on each and every one of them and see the steps that were created for you. If you go into virtual machines, you will see that there is a new virtual machine created for you with the name vSnap. And if I log in into my Spectrum Protect Plus server, I will see under disks that there is a new vSnap that was registered into my server. It's already configured, so I can use it. There is also a bucket that has been configured, and all I have to do now is create a new SLA for backup, assign it into this new vSnap, assign the blob that I just created, and start my backup.